Next one, this is also given in 2019. Let y equal to y of x be the solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to 2x plus x square for x belongs to minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 such that y of 0 equal to 1, then, right, given 4 options is given. What is the right option? See here, differential equation is dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to 2x plus x square. Given y of x equal to y, here y of 0 equal to 1, right? By using these conditions, we are solving this one, right? Solution. Given differential equation is shortcut, that is d, is dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to 2x plus x square. This is the given differential equation. Clearly, this is solving by using linear differential equation, right? This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Clearly, this is a linear differential equation in y, right? Here p of x equal to tan x and q of x equal to 2x plus x square. Right, first find out the integrating factor, that is e power integral p of x into dx, that equal to e power integral tan x dx, that equal to e power integration of tan x is log of secant x base c. We know that e power log x base c equal to x, that equal to secant x. Okay, then solution, right? This is the linear differential equation in y. That's why y into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor dx. Therefore, y into secant x equal to integral 2x plus x square into secant x dx. Secant x dx. Okay. Therefore, y into secant x equal to, we are separating the integrals, that is 2 into x secant x plus into dx plus integral x square into secant x dx. Right? Here, just this is equation number 1. Integral x square into secant x dx. By using by parts, here x is the u, secant x is the v. U into integral secant x. Integral secant x is secant x into integral secant x is log of secant x plus tan x minus derivative of x square is 2x, right? Integral secant x is here given problem is x square into tan x. Here x square into tan x. Okay, right? X square into tan x. Therefore, we getting q of x is x square into tan x into secant x. Then we get secant x into tan x. Okay, secant x into tan x. Okay, here x square is the u and secant x tan x is the v. That is x square into integration of secant x into tan x is secant x minus 2 into integral x square derivative is 2x, integral secant x into tan x is secant x dx. Right, from 1, that is y into secant x equal to 2 into integral x into secant x dx plus x square into secant x minus 2 into x secant x dx. right? Here 2 into x secant x, two terms cancel, then we get plus c. Therefore y into secant x equal to x square secant x plus c. This is the solution of the given differential equation, right? Given differential equation is dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to 2x plus x square into tan x. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x is tan x and q of x is 2x plus x square into tan x. First, to find out the integrating factor, we are getting secant x. Then solution like this, right? We are using second term by parts, right? That is uv formula, that is u is x square, v is the secant x into tan x. Like that we are getting this solution. Given y of x equal to y, here y of x given y of 0 equal to 1. Here x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Substitute here 1 into secant 0, that is also 1, equal to x equal to 0, 0 whole square into 1 plus c. Therefore c equal to 1. C equal to 1. Therefore y into secant x equal to x square secant x plus 1. Okay, right? From the given options, y dash means derivative with respect to x, y dash of pi by 4 minus y dash of minus pi by 4. Therefore then we take y equal to, that is x square dividing with secant x, then we get x square plus 1 by secant x is cos x. Therefore derivative of y dash equal to x square derivative is 2x plus cos x derivative is minus sin x, right? Checking the options. First one, y dash of pi by 4 minus y dash of minus pi by 4. Okay, y dash of pi by 4 minus y dash of minus pi by 4. Y dash of pi by 4, that equal to 2 into pi by 4. 2 into y dash of pi by 4, checking here, y into pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Similarly minus of once again minus pi by 4, 2 into minus pi by 4 minus 2 pi by 4, right? Therefore minus sin of minus pi by 4, minus into sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, that equal to plus sin pi by 4, that equal to 1 by root 2, that equal to 1 by root 2. Then solving this one, then we get 2 into pi by 4, that equal to 2 pi by 4, that equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2, here minus 1 by root 2, here minus into minus plus, that is also pi by 2, here minus 1 by root 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is pi, minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, that equal to minus root 2. Therefore pi minus root 2, that is the first option, right? See once again, given differential equation is dy by dx plus y into tan x equal to 2x plus x square, right? Clearly this is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to tan x and q of x is 2x plus x square into tan x. First to find out the integrating factor, right? Then solution is, we are getting y into secant x equal to x square into secant x plus c. For find out the value of the arbitrary constant, c is the arbitrary constant or parameter. To find out the c value, given information is y of 0 equal to 1. Here x equal to 0 and y equal to 1 from the given information. Therefore substitute in the place of x equal to 0, in the place of y equal to 1. Then we are getting c value is 1. Therefore y into secant x equal to x square into secant x plus 1. Therefore y equal to, dividing with secant x, then we get x square plus 1 by secant x, that equal to cos x. Right? Given options, y dash is there. For everyone, y dash is there. That's why we are taking first time derivative. X square derivative is 2x, cos x derivative is minus sin x. Checking the options, from the first option I am checking, we are getting pi minus root 2, that is the correct answer. That's why we are taking pi of y dash of pi by 4 minus y dash of minus pi by 4. Next one, consider the differential equation y square into dx plus x minus 1 by y into dy equal to 0 if the value of y is 1 when x equal to 1, then the value of x for which y equal to 2 is, right? How to solve this one? See solution. Here given differential equation is y square into dx plus x minus 1 by y into dy equal to 0. We are separating this one, not possible. This is the homogeneous sum, no. The numerator denominator degree is not same. This is a non-homogeneous, no. Checking this is a linear differential equation or not, right? Here I taking y square into dx equal to, we are taking right side, then we are getting minus, that is 1 by y minus x into dy. Therefore y square into dx equal to, we are taking derivative, that is 1 minus x, that is 1 minus y, right? 1 minus y into x. Taking dy right side, left side, that is dx by dy equal to 1 minus y, 1 by y minus x. Right, dividing with y square, then we get dx by dy equal to 1 by y cube minus x by y square. 1 by y cube minus x by y square. That is dx by dy plus x by y square equal to 1 by y cube. Right, this is a linear differential equation in terms of x, right? Therefore this is in the form of dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. This is the linear differential equation in x. Here p of y equal to 1 by y square and q of y equal to 1 by y cube. Okay, first to find out the integrating factor, that is if equal to e power integral 1 by y square into dy. We know that integral 1 by y square into dy equal to minus 1 by x, that is e power minus 1 by y. if equal to e power minus 1 by y, right? Then solution is in terms of x. This is the linear differential equation in x. That's why x into if equal to integral q of y into if into dy, right? Then we get x into integrating factor is e power minus y 1 by y equal to integral q of y is 1 by y cube into e power minus 1 by y dy. Okay, taking put e power minus 1 by y equal to t, derivative with respect to y on both sides, then 1 by y square into dy equal to dt. Therefore x into e power t equal to integral 1 by y square, here 1 by y cube I am writing as 1 by y into 1 by y square, 1 by y square into dy equal to dt. Here 1 by y is there, 1 by y equal to minus t into e power t dt. That is x into e power t equal to minus of e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Therefore here t equal to minus 1, that equal to x into e power minus 1 by y equal to minus e power minus 1 by y. Here minus 1 by y, minus 1 plus c. Taking minus is common, then we get e power minus 1 by y into 1 by y plus 1 plus c. 1 by y plus c. Given y equal to 1 when x equal to 1, right? When x equal to 1, right? Y also 1. y equal to 1. Substitute here for getting the value of c, that is 1 into e power minus 1 equal to e power minus 1 into 1 plus 1 equal to plus c. Therefore e power minus 1, right, that is 1 by e. 1 by e minus 2 by e equal to c. Therefore c equal to minus 1 by e. C equal to minus 1 by e. Substitute here. Therefore differential equation is x into e power minus 1 by y equal to e power minus 1 by y into 1 by y plus 1 plus c, that equal to minus 1 by v. C equal to minus 1 by v. Right? What we find out? Then the value of x we are find out when the value is y equal to 2. Right? If y equal to 2. Y equal to 2. Therefore x equal to e power minus 1 by 2, x into e power minus 1 by 2 equal to e power minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by v. Therefore x by e power 1 by 2 is root e, that equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, that equal to 3 by 2 root e minus 1 by e, minus 1 by e. Therefore x equal to, taking right side e, that is 3 root e by 2 root e minus root e by e. Therefore root e cancel. Therefore x equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by root e. That is the answer. 3 by 2 minus 1 by root e. Therefore option B is the correct one. See once again. Given differential equation is y square into dx plus x minus 1 by y into dy. Right? See, in the IPE point of view, right, how to solve these equations by using some methods, right? Those are variable subproblem method, homogeneous, non-homogeneous, linear differential equation and Bernoulli's equations. He is not mentioning any of the method, just we are checking, right, how to solve this one, right, by using variable subproblem method or homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Right, here this is not separating the x terms and y terms, and also this is not a homogeneous, this is not a non-homogeneous. That's why I am checking linear differential equation. That's why the form of dx by dy. Therefore dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. Right, first to find out the integrating factor, then after the solution. For the find out the value of the c, his given information is x equal to 1 when y is also 1. Therefore, we are find out the value of c equal to minus 1 by v. Right? What he is asking, find the value of the x for which y equal to 2. Right? Substitute y equal to 2, then value of the x is 3 by 2 minus 1 by root. See, given differential equation is y square minus x cube into dx minus xy into dy equal to 0. Right, here x into y dy equal to y square minus x cube into dx. Right, that is xy into dy by dx equal to y square minus x cube. Then dividing with y on both sides, dividing with xy on both sides, then we get, therefore dy by dx equal to, right, dy by dx equal to y square minus x cube by xy, that is dy by dx equal to, here one y is cancelled, that equal to 2y. Dividing with x only, dividing with x on both sides, then we get, that is y square by x minus x cube by x. Therefore dy by dx, y into dy by dx minus y square by x equal to minus x cube by x, that is equal to minus x square, right? Put y square equal to t. Put y square equal to t. With respect to x, we are derivating 2y into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. Therefore, y into dy by dx equal to, right? Multiply with 2 on both sides in the equation, then we get 2y into dy by dx minus 2y square by x equal to minus 2x square. Then 2y into dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus, right? In the place of y square we are taking t, that is minus 2 by x into t equal to minus 2x square. This is the linear differential equation. This is in the form of dt by dx plus p of x into t equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to minus 2 by x and q of x equal to minus 2x square. Therefore, integrating factor I of equal to e power integral minus 2 by x dx, that equal to e power minus 2 into log x, that equal to e power log 1 by x square, that equal to 1 by x square. Therefore, solution is, this is the linear differential equation in t, that's why t into integrating factor equal to q of x, integral q of x is minus 2x square into 1 by x square dx. Here 1 by x square cancel, x square cancel, then t into 1 by x square equal to minus 2 integration is minus 2x plus other constant is lambda, right? We know that t equal to y square, therefore y square equal to multiply y square by x square equal to minus 2x plus lambda. Therefore, y square equal to minus 2x cube plus lambda x square, right? From the equation we are taking left side, y square plus 2x cube minus lambda x square equal to 0. We are taking minus lambda equal to c, then we get y square plus 2x cube plus cx square, where c is the integral constant, equal to 0. Therefore, y square plus 2x cube plus cx square equal to 0. Option B is the correct one. Okay, like that we are solving, right? This is not a variable separable method, this is not a homogeneous, this is not a non-homogeneous, this is not a linear also, this is like a Bernoulli's equation, right? We are taking y square equal to t, then 2y into dy by dx equal to dt by dx. That's why we are multiplying with 2 on both sides, then we get the solution, then we converting into linear equations, right? Next one, see, if y equal to y of x is the solution of the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square, satisfying y of 1 equal to 1, then y of 1 by 2 is equal to, see here, solution, given differential equation is x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. Dividing with x on both sides, then we get dy by dx plus 2y by x equal to x square by x, that equal to x. Clearly, this is a linear differential equation. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. P of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to 2 by x, p of x equal to 2 by x, and q of x equal to x. P of x equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to x. First find out the integrating factor, that equal to e power integral p of x into dx, that equal to e power integral 2 by x into dx, that equal to e power 2 into log x, that equal to e power log x square, that equal to x square. Right, this is the if value. Then solution is, right, this is the linear differential equation in y. That's why y into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor dx. Therefore, y into integrating factor is x square equal to integral q of x is x into integrating factor is x square dx. Okay, that is y into x square equal to integral x cube, that equal to x power 4 by 4 plus c. X power 4 by 4 plus c. Right, here y of 1 equal to 1. Given y of 1 equal to 1, given function is y equal to y of x. Here x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Then 1 into 1 whole square is 1 equal to 1 power 4 is 1 by 4 plus c. Therefore, c equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, that equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, differential particular solution is y into x square equal to x power 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Right? If y of 1 by 2, if x equal to 1 by 2 is, if x equal to 1 by 2, x equal to 1 by 2, then we get y equal to y of 1 by 2 whole square, that equal to 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2 whole power 4. Right, 1 by 2 whole power 4 is 1 power 4 by 2 power 4 is 16 into 4 plus 3 by 4. Right, here 4 is cancelled in denominator. Therefore, y equal to 1 by 16 plus 3. Then we take the LCM, y equal to, right, y equal to 16 3s are 48, 1 plus 48 by 16. Therefore, y equal to 49 by 16. That is the answer. Therefore, 49 by 16, option 3. Right. Simple one. See once again. Given differential equation is x into dy by dx plus 2y equal to x square. This is in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Here p of x equal to 2 by x and q of x equal to x. First to find out the integrating factor, that we are getting x square. Then solution is y into x square equal to integral x into x square dx. Right? Given y of 1 equal to 1, in the place of x we take 1, in the place of y we take 1. Then we are getting c equal to 3 by 4. Substitute here. We are find out when x equal to 1 by 2. If x equal to 1 by 2, what is the value of y? Right? If x equal to 1 by 2, substitute here, that equal to 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2 whole power 4, that equal to 1 by 2 power 4 equal to 16 into 4 plus 3 by 4. In denominator 4 is there, 4 is cancelled. Right? Then we getting y equal to 1 by 16 plus 3. Then take the LCM, that equal to 1 plus 16 3s are 48 by 16, that equal to 49 by 16. That is option 3. Next one, let f maps 0 to 1 tends to R be such that f of x y equal to f of x into f of y. For all x comma y belongs to 0 to 1, and f of 0 not equal to 0, then y equal to f of x, y into y of x. Satisfy the differential equation dy by dx equal to f of x with y of 0 equal to 1. Then find the value of y of 1 by 4 plus y of 3 by 4 is equal to. See, first we are find out the f of x value. That is important. See here, solution. Given condition is f of xy equal to f of x into f of y. F of xy equal to f of x into f of y. If x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, then f of 0 equal to f of 0 into f of 0. Take right side, that is f of 0 into f of 0 minus f of 0 equal to 0. Take f of 0 is common, then we get f of 0 minus 1 equal to 0. Here f of 0 equal to 0, but given condition is f of 0 is not equal to 0. That's why f of 0 is not equal to 0. Then f of 0 minus 1 equal to 0, then f of 0 equal to 1. Right? We get f of 0 equal to 1. Right? See, if y equal to 0, we take y equal to 0. We want y equal to f of x value, right? We find out the f of x value. For that purpose, I take y equal to 0. Then we get f of 0 equal to f of x into f of 0. Okay? We know that f of 0 equal to 1. Therefore, 1 equal to f of x into 1. Therefore, f of x equal to 1. You get f of x equal to 1. Right. Therefore, given differential equation is dy by dx equal to f of x. That is, dy by dx equal to f of x is 1. Then dy equal to dx. Right? dy equal to dx. Then integrating on both sides. Then integral dy equal to integral dx. Therefore, y equal to x plus c. Y equal to x plus c. Right? Given condition is y of 0 equal to 1. Here y of x equal to y of y. Therefore, if x equal to 0, y equal to 1. X equal to 0, 1 equal to 0 plus c. Therefore, c equal to 1. Therefore, solution of the differential equation is y equal to x plus 1. Y equal to x plus 1. We find out the value of y of 1 by 4 and y of 3 by 4. Y of 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 4 plus 1, that equal to 5 by 4. Y of 3 by 4 equal to 3 by 4 plus 1, that equal to 7 by 4. Right? Adding both y of 1 by 4 plus y of 3 by 4 equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Therefore, 7 plus 5, that equal to 12 by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are 3. Therefore, option B. See once again. Given function is f of xy equal to f of x into f of y. Given differential equation is dy by dx equal to f of x. First, we want to find out the value of f of x. For that purpose, I put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Right? Given f of 0 is not equal to 0, that's why we are getting f of 0 equal to 1. Right? Therefore, we want f of x. That's why once again I take y equal to 0. Then we get f of x equal to 1. Substitute in the given differential equation. Then y equal to x plus c is the solution of the differential equation. Right? Given x equal to 0 and y equal to 1, therefore c equal to 1. Right? We find out the value of y of 1 by 4 and y of 3 by 4. Adding both these, we getting 3. That is the answer.